We are working on a doll t-shirt today. Yeah, look at, there we go. Okay, now have a transfer. Put it on here. The heat is warming up. The press is warming up. Get this centered. My daughter is dying. She's anxious for this to get done. Okay, we'll be back after it's warmed up and show you what this looks like. We're trying doll clothes and things like that, and just different things other than regular t-shirts. Last time we found out some of the doll clothes seams have to be moved in a certain way to do it because we ruined a transfer with a seam. But this one doesn't have seams in the way. Okay, it's up to temperature. Everything's on it. It's time to squish it. I'll show it to you when we're done. Alrighty, there we go. The doll. It's a 28-inch Barbie. And there's the t-shirt. The print came out really nice on it. There you go. Made from a baby onesie and cut and printed. Doll shirt made. If you like this type of stuff, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.